How to install stud anchors. Stud anchors, also called wedge anchors, are typically used in heavy-duty solid concrete applications. For this installation, you'll require a hammer drill, masonry drill bit, and sockets. Hole size and hole depth are important when installing stud anchors. You can measure and use tape to mark the depth to drill. We list the correct hole size and minimum embedment depth on the product details of each anchor. Drill the hole into the concrete using a hammer drill and masonry drill bit. Clear the hole of any dust and debris so that the anchor can seat properly. Insert the stud anchor through the application into your hole. Tap the stud anchor into the hole until the washer is flush with the surface. Using a wrench or socket, tighten the nut of the stud anchor, adhering to recommended torque specifications based on your application. For more information on sizing and installing stud anchors, visit boltdepot.com. Bolt Depot, fastener shopping made easy.